straight from the sea to the can. This is the singular philosophy that encompasses all aspects of operations of Universal Canning Incorporated. Established in 1995 in Zamboanga City, Universal Canning Incorporated has always adhered to quality and excellence in its production processes and products. UCI started as a toll packer for popular local and international sardine brands. This experience gave Universal Canning the opportunity to learn the ropes of the business and the practice of the trade. In the last quarter of 1998, Universal Canning decided to launch its own label, the Family's Brand Sardines. The warm acceptance of the Family's brand in the market, validated by numerous awards, proved Universal Canning can indeed compete in the market with its own label. As part of its expansion plans, Universal Canning has acquired popular sardines brands Master, MIKADO, and ATAMI in 2008. These brands are set to capture market segments previously untapped by the Family's brand label. Throughout the years, Universal Canning Incorporated has exemplified what the canning industry is supposed to be. It prides itself for having fully mechanized, semi-automated system of production that utilizes high-end technologies and equipment in all stages of production. This efficient installation, coupled of having its own docking wharf, enables the plant to produce canned sardines within 1 hour of docking, providing the shortest time from catching to canning, ensuring product freshness and quality. With over 1,000 employees in its workforce, Universal Canning is able to produce 1.2 to 1.5 cans of 202 by 306 can size daily. Despite its large volume output, Universal Canning has constantly maintained the highest standard on sanitation and hygiene, as well as the strictest safeguarding of formulas and processes to respect cultural sensitivities, feats that have merited several accreditations. To fully equip Universal Canning to supply increasing international demand, it has built and inaugurated a 10-ton glass freezer with a 1,000-ton capacity cold storage facility and a new Club CAD manufacturing line, increasing the plant size from 1.5 hectares to 3.6 hectares. Universal Canning Incorporated is the only fully integrated sardine canning plant in the country, an advantage of being under the helm of the Universal Group of Companies and the Zamboanga Universal Fishing Corporation, or ZUFC, as its mother company. Starting with a modest fleet of 1 catcher vessel, 1 carrier, and 2 light boats way back in 1984, ZUFC has grown into the largest sardine deep-sea fishing company in Mindanao and one of the 3 largest fishing operations that ever commandeered Philippine waters. ZUFC currently supplies 60% of its catch to its sister company, Universal Canning Incorporated. The remaining 40% is supplied to other canning factories, dried fish vendors, and wet markets all over Mindanao, Visayas, and Navotas in Manila. At present, ZUFC's fleet of 80 vessels consists of 10 purse seiners, 26 carriers, 34 light boats and skiff boats, and 10 state-of-the-art sonar boats that can span the waters of Mindanao and the Visayan region, as well as the farther reaches of Palawan. Supporting ZUFC, the Universal Shipyard was established with the task to oversee the repair, maintenance, and upkeep of the fishing fleet of ZUFC. Universal Shipyard prides itself of a large dry dock with a capacity of 800 ton, fully equipped with side transfers to accommodate the largest of shipping vessel. Adjacent to the shipyard is a marginal wharf with a berthing capacity of 12 to 15 fishing vessels, able to fill the docking needs of other fishing companies as well. Adding to the sustainability of Universal Canning and the Universal Group is the Universal Ice Plant and Cold Storage. This facility is large, skillfully designed refrigeration and ice production facility that furnishes the ice requirements of ZUFC as well as other fishing companies within the region. Battered by a 260-ton plant with a pre-cooling system capable of producing additional 40 tons of block ice daily, the plant has a total rated capacity of 300 tons and a cold storage capacity of 780 tons. Completing the sustainability of the operations of the Universal Group, the Southern Philippines Fish Meal Corporation is the largest fish meal processing plant in the country. Merited with Japanese design and technology, the facility is able to process cannery waste materials at a rate of 10 to 12 tons an hour. The facility produces high-quality steamed, dried fish meal with protein content of up to 72% under strict sanitation procedures. These high-quality products are exported to nations such as Japan and Korea and feed millers all over the country. The plant can also produce crude fish oil at a rate of 12 tons daily. The sea is a treasure chest filled with immeasurable bounty, not only for the few, but for everyone to cherish and enjoy. That is the essence of our existence. We at the Universal Group of Companies stand by an unwavering promise of delivering the riches of the sea, ensuring that our badge of quality and excellence in our products will reach its farthest, enjoyed by many households at the center of every dining table. That is our goal, our promise to deliver a promise